Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Burtonsville, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you about to move to Burtonsville from within the city or its environs? Then it would be best to allow a team of movers to help you with the local move. Local moves are within a short distance range, and letting teams focus on local moves helps guarantee that the local movers are familiar with the city and can easily navigate through them and get your belongings to your new apartment. With local movers, you can rest assured of a successful move since your movers will have the experience they need to develop an on-the-spot solution for any challenge that you might face while transporting your belongings. For the best local movers in Burtonsville, look as far as Burtonsville Local Movers. With a team of locals with decades of experience with local moves, you are in the best hands. With professional long-distance movers helping you with your move, the move involves less stress, and you are confident of a hitch-free move. Burtonsville Long Distance 3 Movers is the best of the best for long-distance moves in Burtonsville, Maryland. With a reputation of an excellent moves to all 50 states in the U.S., Burtonsville Long Distance 3 Movers has the workforce and equipment for a successful long-distance move. Burtonsville Long Distance 3 Movers is also safety conscious and makes all plans regarding your move considering every eventuality. With safety measures and the availability of a moving storage, Burtonsville Long Distance 3 Movers is your top choice. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Burtonsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.